Alright, so this is a Cyril bath stretch former. We've already taken a good bit of it apart. I'm going to try and reconstitute this big old honk to my new log splitter. So stay tuned to see how that comes out in a future video. Look at that big old bed, 8-inch cylinder, 3000 psi. So we're going to see if we can't make that into a log splitter. This is the other bed, and it's got a smaller cylinder, but it still has a slide on it, which would pretty much split anything you want. So she's, depending on how she comes apart, it's a little different on the slide rails. I don't know if we can do a log splitter out of her, but we'll recover everything we can. So this is the tooth gear that spins the table. That's those are some pretty big teeth. That's the gearbox and the pulley. That's a little heavy. And the top table here, about 3 inches thick. There's that gear. Let's see if the table's loose or not. I don't think so. You know, like a four left. Alright, let down. Wait in, budge it. Let's try some more bolts. Alright, we're trying it again. Alright, lift up. No. It's moving, but it ain't coming loose. There's still a bolt somewhere. Side shift back, go back, forward, forward, side shift back, you got cables in there. Just a little love again, a little tap. Alright, so this is the end of day one. Good 10 hours a day. We got her. Don't look like we did much, but boy, I tell you what. Between the control panels, hydraulics, still got a bunch of motors to take off. A lot of heavy iron. And we got the table halfway free. Still got two big spinner clunks under there that we got to get out. Up under there. And you can see them out there, some big slides they're holding it. And then we got a small pile going here. And a small pile over there. Here's a little bit of goodies we pulled out. That was the support between the two, the rail and the table. Control panel over there. This plate had the gearbox and a motor in it.